Here's meteorologist Patrick Crawford, live from Storm Center 2. Brought to you by Tundraland, sunrooms, baths, and replacement windows.
Hi everyone, and welcome back. I have Viper radar up on the screen. We're still watching that severe thunderstorm warning that's moving into northeastern Waupaca County. It also looks like it could be extended into parts of Shawano County as well here once it expires at 4:30. This storm has weakened a bit though. It's not as strong as it once was, but it's still capable of wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour and maybe penny-size hail as it continues to move east at about 30 miles per hour. We still have some scattered showers up to the north as well, making their way throughout Marinette and Oconto counties. But look off to the west. Notice the red shading that we're seeing there on the graphic. That's a tornado watch, and that does include the Wausau and Rhinelander area. That goes until 10 o'clock for tonight. There's another look at that tornado watch that goes until 10 and includes the counties of Lincoln, Marathon, Oneida, and Vilas County. So this is the area that we're focused on for the dangerous weather tonight. There could be some potentially dangerous thunderstorms later on this evening. We're not seeing any of those storms just yet, but look off to the west into eastern Minnesota, western Wisconsin. This is the activity that's starting to fire up, and this is what we think is going to continue to move northeast. And that's what's going to be impacting those areas under that tornado watch. So if you're traveling west or northwest, you definitely want to be cautious and maybe just try to avoid that if you can with the dangerous weather that we're anticipating across that part of the region. Look at the warm temperatures. We've got temperatures close to 80 in Green Bay, 81 in Appleton, and also in Oshkosh. It's 81 in Waupaca, 74 in Wausau. And it's not just been the warm air we've been dealing with today. We've also been dealing with the mugginess. When we get up to 60 degrees, that's when we get to that uncomfortable level with the humidity. So the dew point temperatures are well above that 60-degree mark. Look at Antigo at 65 degrees, Wausau at 67. So very unstable atmosphere setting up in those areas that are included in that tornado watch. So there's another look at that tornado watch. We still have that severe thunderstorm warning into northeastern Waupaca County. That goes all the way until 4:30. So it will be expiring, I think, very soon. There is potential it could be extended in the latest track of the system as it moves east at about 30 miles per hour. Has it getting close to Pulaski at 4:52 and then 5 o'clock moving into Chase. Again, these storms capable of producing hail about penny size and then the potential of some damaging wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. We're a weather aware day for the rest of tonight, and we're going to keep that going throughout your Wednesday. I haven't even talked about Wednesday's forecast. We've got more scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast, and when these storms get going, they are going to be capable of damaging winds, very heavy rainfall, large hail, and we do have to keep that isolated tornado threat in the forecast. That's why we're going with the weather aware day for tonight and then also throughout the day tomorrow. That severe weather risk looks like it will start to weaken a bit as we get into Thursday morning. We're still going to keep an eye on things, but there is potential that weather aware day could go into Thursday as well. And this is what we're looking at with those severe weather risks. A moderate to maybe high risk of heavy rain, strong damaging winds, large hail, a moderate risk of that, and then we're looking at the potential of a moderate risk of tornadoes. And the atmosphere is going to be prime for rotation. We already have that tornado watch into the western and northwestern part of the region. That tornado watch, well, there could be another one of those for tomorrow as well. So it is something we're going to be watching very closely here in Storm Center 2. By 11 a.m. Wednesday, thunderstorms firing up into southern Wisconsin, moving to the north and northeast. You can see some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms, more of those storms throughout your Wednesday. So that's what we're going to be dealing with really throughout the day. Very warm, very muggy, prime conditions for severe weather. This is the time of the year as we move towards June. June is our most active weather month, but we're getting a taste of that right now with these very warm and muggy conditions. And of course, Storm Center 2, we are here. We're going to keep you safe. We've got the crawl there at the bottom of the screen. We'll cut into programming if need be, and plus you can watch our 24/7 weather channel for all the latest information. Plus, we've got our Storm Center 2 on the go app. So we've got you covered whenever that weather turns severe. So we're the team to turn to whenever that happens.
It's ramping up.
Yes, it is. It's going to be that active time of the year.
Thanks, Patrick.
You got it.